ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। ओम श्री कृष्णाय परमात्मने नमः। श्री भगवानुवाच सर्वकर्माणि मनसा सन्न्यस्यास्ते सुखं वसी नवद्वारे पुरे देहि नैव कुर्वन्न कारयन्। Fifth chapter, Karma Sannyasa Yogam, 13th sloka. So far Bhagavan Krishna talked about Karma Yoga. From this sloka he is going to talk about Jnana Yoga or Sannyasa Yoga. Jnana Yoga is not an option. Jnana Yoga for sannyasis it is a direct. For a karma yogi he has to do karma yogam first. He should become a karma yogi first. Then he should become a Chitta Shuddhi person and then he should come to Jnana Yoga. So one can choose to skip Jnana Yoga if he don't want to get into moksha or the freedom from everything. One who wants to remain in samsara life, he can do only perform karma yoga. But if you want to moksha, if you want to liberation, then you should pass us through Jnana Yoga. Here, Bhagavan Krishna describes the characters of a Jnana Yogi, a sannyasi. Sarva karmani manasa. He renounced all actions. Here all actions in the sense including karma pala also, including the result of karma also. By renouncing all his desires of karma, he steadily dedicated his mind, his body. Actually, the Jnana Yogi or a sannyasi renouncing all actions and result of actions and with focused, dedicated, sincere attempt mind, he performs all actions and he is doing through manasa, in the sense here actually Jnana Yoga. Doing so, since he is renouncing everything, he does any actions or he involved in any actions or he is the cause of any others to do that actions. This is the quality of a sannyasi, a Jnana Yogi. Navadvare means dehi, this body, means himself either he will not do that actions or he will not make others to do any actions. With the dedicated focused mind, with renouncing all karmas and fruits of karmas, he attained liberation. But he is akarta. He is akarta for himself, he is akarta for others also. This is the main message Bhagavan Krishna says. Means indirectly he says, to become a Jnana Yogi or to become a sannyasi, a steady, focused mind with renouncing by mind, it's prerequisite. Then only he can become liberated. So tomorrow we shall see 14th sloka. Till then, Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Hari Om Tat Sat.